What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. If you guys have a 2015 Ford F-150 and you're looking to get it lifted, you should take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, and this one's going to have that strut spacer, which is going to have that spacer that goes right above the factory strut to help raise up the truck and fit this bigger wheel and tire package. When you choose a lift kit from rough country, you have 3 options. You got your strut spacer, you got your extended strut, which is going to be completely replacing the strut that already comes with the truck, so it's going to swap those out to give you some more of that ride quality back. But also, if you want to go with the third higher option, it's going to be the Vertex coilover shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality. So you have those 3 options, so make your choice kind of wisely, see what you want to do based on your budget or what you want. The tire's going to be that 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is a step down from Fury's mud tire. So it's still going to have that aggressiveness of the mud tire with the aggressive sidewalls and a little bit more knobby tread, but it's also going to have pretty good qualities for the road as well, because it's the center of the tread is going to be closer together, give you a nice quieter ride, but also it's going to help extend that life of the tire as well. If you're looking at a tire like this one, there's other options. You can also go with the Nitto Ridge Grappler, which we highly recommend, but also you can go with the Toyo Open Country AT3 as well. That's their hybrid tire. Down here we have a 22x12 TIS 544 in the gloss black and machine finish. This one's going to be that directional look as well as that deep dish style as well. So you're going to have about a 5.5 inch lip on this one. That's also thanks to that -44 offset, which is also going to push that wheel and tire package out several inches, giving it that nice wider stance. The face is going to be machined, and then it's also going to have that gloss black lip, and then you're going to have the millings on the outside, which is going to complement the face of the wheel. You have another finish for this one, which is going to be the gloss black and milled, so you're going to have the gloss black lip, gloss black face, and you're going to have millings on the outside of the spokes. That's a really good look for this one as well. So if you guys like that, this wheel, the wheel and tire package we have for it, you can get it done for your truck right here at Krietz Customs. Make sure you also check out our financing options for 0% for 12 months, so you can go ahead and get your truck built now and pay later.